Hello, we are going to talk about function notation and how to evaluate a function today. When we say function notation, that means how to notate a function. We are using f of x as the notation for a function. In other words, when you write f of x, you are going to tell people what this function is doing. Like the example we are given here. F of x equals 2x plus 1. What does this notation really mean? Look at everything I'm writing here, word by word. This actually means there is a function named f. When we send an x into the function, we will get 2 times that x plus 1 out. So the x is the input to that function, and 2 times that x plus 1 will be the output. So what does this function really do? This tells you what this function really do. It is whatever you send into this function will times that number by 2, then add 1 to it. Make sure you know this is read as f of x, not fx. F of x. That OF in between is very important. And the first time you see this notation, you might mistakenly think this is a variable f times a variable x. That's wrong. This is a notation of a function, and this part is to tell you what that function actually does. Now we have the definition of this function, so we know what this function do. We are going to talk about evaluate a function when you know what the input value is. So the x value is given. In other words, we are plugging this value to that x position and to see what that function will give us. That will be our output. So using this function as an example, our function is defined here as 2 times x plus 1. So if I wanted to say f of 5, what does that mean? That means I'm sending 5 into this machine. So this machine is to multiply 2 to that input. So I will go by 2 times this 5 plus 1. And 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, that's 11. This means we are sending 5 into this function, we will get 11 out. You can write that input, output as a point like this one, that's 5 is the input, 11 is the output. Or you can say f of 5 is 11. Or you can write it as a XY table. 5 is your x value, 11 is your y value. And then you can draw it on a xy coordinate plane. This means a point on this plane. The input is 5, the output is 11. In other words, y is our output, and the y value is indeed the result of f of x. So some people just say y equal to f of x. That completes our lesson about function notation and how to evaluate a function for a given x value. We will do more examples to understand this more. Thank you.